Let's gain an understanding about API. API stands for Application Programming Interface, an umbrella term covering everything from command line tools and enterprise code to microservices and cloud-native architectures. Developers use an API to programmatically access resources or components outside their code. An even simpler definition could be that an API is part of a software component accessible to other components. Intermediaries provide data transfers between systems, enabling companies to open up their application data and functionality to third-party developers, business partners, and departments within their organizations. Let's discuss some of the common types of API. There are various APIs designed for specific uses and serve various functions, and here are some of the more popular web APIs. First type is Open APIs. Public APIs, also known as Open APIs, provide software developers with tools, routines, and protocols for developing software applications. Open APIs offer developers access to application data without accessing shared source codes, an asset company can take advantage of by making services accessible, while still protecting proprietary ownership over developer output. Developers find open APIs useful in developing novel apps based on organizational aspects like features or service data using RESTful APIs that offer authentication and authorization functions for seamless integrations between programs. Builders rely on. Public APIs have seen a tremendous surge in usage, leading to the creation of many groundbreaking applications and services. Moving on to the second type, Partner APIs. Partner APIs, application programming interfaces, provide organizations with access to data and service offerings across businesses, B2B. With partner APIs, businesses are able to quickly gain access to B2B offerings, such as data or service offerings across businesses, B2C, which enables them to quickly develop unique features within their applications, or services by tapping into partner resources. Leveraging existing technologies enables companies to reduce costs and allocate time more effectively while taking advantage of valuable customer feedback or additional products that improve the customer experience while driving revenue growth using partner APIs that work across B2B environments. Next type is internal APIs. Internal APIs, or internal services, are APIs created specifically for internal use within an organization by its developers. These APIs facilitate data transmission among components within systems and enable process automation. Internal APIs are usually provided to large organizations as an exclusive operation and service, making them proprietary systems. Internal APIs enable various applications and systems within an organization to interact, creating an abstraction layer between them that makes modifications or maintenance easy and maintenance simple. Last type is composite APIs. A composite API unifies multiple APIs into one interface to give developers access to data from all sources at the same time. This makes data access simpler by streamlining interactions with complex apps, common when connecting various cloud services, while offering developers efficient coding practices, as they don't need to write separate code for every individual API. A composite API also helps streamline the development process, while offering cost-effective solutions by offering one centralized access point to access various APIs. Next, we will discuss REST and SOAP APIs. REST APIs. Today's landscape sees many APIs powered by REST. Web apps often utilize REST APIs. They serve as versatile interfaces that send and retrieve data through HTTP requests in formats such as JSON, XML, or plaintext. REST APIs are one type of interface, using principles underlying REST architectural design when communicating between clients and servers. This includes predefined sets of operation parameters accessible using standard HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE, while still permitting scalability. APIs make accessing structured data in JSON or XML format simpler, while guaranteeing security and access to resources. Adherence to REST principles helps developers design user-friendly API systems suitable for use across devices and platforms. SOAP APIs. Web services can also be developed using SOAP APIs, which utilize XML messages for communication between two applications over the network. SOAP APIs boast stringent rules and messaging standards that can make them more secure than protocols like REST. SOAP-based APIs are often employed for enterprise applications relating to payment processing or customer management, as they offer high levels of protection. SOAP APIs make it possible to create web services accessible by multiple clients across different platforms, while their secure nature has rendered SOAP an invaluable solution for securely transferring sensitive information. Let's explore the tools for testing APIs. Various tools can be used for testing APIs. Following are some of the tools. Burp Suite is a widely used web application security testing tool known for its proxy features, making it ideal for API testing. It offers comprehensive testing capabilities and is highly customizable. Postman is a versatile API testing tool that supports functional, integration, and regression testing. It features a user-friendly interface and is compatible with various operating systems. OWASP ZAP, Z-Attack Proxy, is an open-source security testing tool specifically designed to detect and prevent vulnerabilities in web applications. It offers powerful scanning and testing capabilities for APIs. Rest Assured is a popular testing framework tailored for RESTful APIs, making it an excellent choice for Java developers. It simplifies API testing with an intuitive syntax. Apache JMeter is a robust testing solution suitable for functional and performance testing of REST, SOAP services, and APIs. It allows users to simulate high request loads to evaluate performance. Rapid API is a versatile API testing and monitoring tool that supports functional testing for REST, SOAP, and GraphQL APIs. It's designed for seamless integration into continuous integration or continuous delivery pipelines and team collaboration.